I'm showing us how you can log into Zoom meeting, how you can join Zoom meetings, and how you can use Zoom app. So basically, you need to first of all get the Zoom app from Play Store. If you don't have it, go to Play Store and search for Zoom and download it. Once you download the Zoom, now whenever a Zoom link is sent to you, you can see Zoom link here. The Zoom link normally comes like this. So, and you are to join through the Zoom link. Once you click on the link, for example, this is a Zoom we are having on how you can use a digital means to make money. So this Zoom is a how smart people are quietly using AI to build wealth, which you hosted today. So basically, you come to the Zoom link and you click on this link here. Once you click on the link, you can see there is a passcode. If the Zoom requires you to put this passcode, you put it, which I will show you in a few seconds now. So the first step is to tap on this link. So I'm going to tap on the link now. And automatically, as you tap on the link, it will take you to the Zoom, either through the app or through the web. First of all, so it's taking me to the Zoom. It's showing preparing meetings. So you need to wait for it to prepare meetings and for it to join. So once it prepares a meeting, it will come to this stage where it will ask you for a name, because I already have a name here. But if you are new, I believe if you are new and unknown name, or you showing your phone name, you can now write your name. You can tap it like this, type in your name, and now click OK. Now click OK. So once you are here now, you can see it's showing the icons down. So you can see the icons. I want to show you. So this is where you can mute yourself. Tap on this microphone to mute. Tap on the mic to mute, and this is where you can on the camera. You can on the camera here, or you can off it from there. And also, this is where you can chat. If you want to chat, I'm trying to show you so that you can be able to chat. We tap on that chat. Once click on this chat to bring you up to here, you can now type in the chat. You can type in the chat here, and anything you want to type, can say and send it as the host require. And also, if you want to leave the meeting, this is where I can tap to leave the meeting. If you want to leave the Zoom, click here to leave the Zoom. So I want to put it on a full screen. You put it on full screen. Once you tap here this box here, yes, tap on this box, and then it will come to full screen in your phone. And as it is in the full screen, you can see it is fully. You can also tap it again to come back. Then this is where you can leave the meeting. If you want to leave, tap on that icon, then click on leave meeting. This is how you can, and that is all. The meeting will not end. So this is basically how you can join the Zoom. Thank you.